Hello everyone, meet me again Pujo. Right now I will show you how to make a layout and design our lesson in the course that we have it in Moodle. So let us to open our Moodle. First time, please open your Moodle. And now open the website. And then log in with your password and ID, and then now I will show you the sample design layout of the course Indonesian 1. Yeah, so let's see in the topic 1. So I will click the gear button in here to show you what kind of structure of lesson. So the first is topic. We can create the topic in here, and then we can put the picture in here, and then put objective of this topic. For example, topic 1, introduce self. Objective is to introduce self, can identify the structure of the sentence, can write how to introduce self in the public, and can present introducing self in video or in audio. So I divide in this topic by 4 skills. First skill is reading session, and then listening session, writing session, speaking session, and I add some activity and quiz. So let's talk one by one. Start in the reading session. In the reading session, I use page to write some text or sentence in here. So you can use the resource and material, that is page, and then you can write here, or you can copy paste from your textbook. And then I also put in here introduction about this topic by video. So I put in this page video from my YouTube channel. And then my textbook I put in here, so student in this session can read the textbook. I also upload a PowerPoint in here, so student can study by slide in here, and then some link of website to support the study about vocabulary, about what is the sentence using in introduction in English language, and link in another website. That is a reading session. Next, in the listening session, usually I make page and then I upload the video from my YouTube channel. And also, because in YouTube is not complete, I also complete with uploading some audio in here. I record and then I can upload in Moodle. There's a lot of audio. Student can click and and listening the audio can practice by listening. There is a word like a vocabulary. There is also sentence sample audio and also conversation sample audio in here, so student can download or just click and play, for example like this.
Halo, kenalkan, nama saya Anon.
This is a sample of introduction. And then a writing session. In writing session, I put in here a slide PowerPoint. I also put a worksheet, and I will also put in here assignment, so student can send the result of writing. And also chat in here, so student can interact by texting. This means they study how to write by texting. You can click texting, and then they can chat each other or chat with me and the lecture. And then on speaking session, I put some samples in here. Is slide, conversation, also text conversation in here, so students can practice to conversation about topic, introducing itself. And activity session, in here I put some game activity, lesson, and survey. So I need the feedback from students. I ask them to end up with some survey. So after they finish the lesson, they can give some feedback to me as a teacher, what should be developed in the next lesson on the next topic. And the last, I always make a quiz to review or call back the knowledge that the students learned before. So the quiz, maybe the duration, usually I set up about 40 to 50 minutes. So for complete course for first topic, usually 4 hours classes. So I divide for the first meeting, study about reading session to listening session, and 2 hours focus on writing session and speaking session plus activity and quiz. So total 4 hours. The students can use this course to study by themselves, and then every week I just check and try to improve and develop this course, checking the feedback from the student and checking grade by look at the grades in here. So preparation, just uploading and updating the material, and set up the lesson and quiz, and then open the course by turn on the topic. So we can editing on in here, and then we can show the topic 1 by click in here. So we can hide topic and highlight. So usually if topic what the students learn is exists this week, I use highlight like this, so students can recognize it. And then I will hide another topic, so the student will focus on that topic. I will hide this one, hide topic like this. So only in the student view, only this topic So before the course or before sending information to the student, please set up like this first, so students can easy to access your course. So that is my setting layout course in the first week teaching Indonesian 1. I hope that this information can help you to design your course. So again, Moodle safe, simple, actual, fun, and easy. Stay at home, be positive, keep doing online learning, and see you again with Pujo in the next video. Bye bye.